This is Kaushik Ranchod from the Ranchod Law Group, and I want to welcome you to our weekly immigration show. Today, I'm going to talk about one of our frequently asked questions. What do? You came as a tourist, and then after you've entered, you decided that you want to get married or you want to stay in the United States. So it really depends upon your situation. So first of all, there's two kinds of tourists. There's entering on the visa waiver program, where you're given 90 days to stay, and then there's also where you came in on a visitor visa. So first I'm going to talk about entering on a visitor visa. You decide to stay in the United States, then there's something that you need to be aware of. One is having preconceived intent. Now, if you have the intent before you enter, then you should not apply for a green card in the United States. The proper process is to apply for an immigrant visa. However, if you have entered into the United States and you've fallen in love or whatever, and circumstances change, it depends upon the time period as well. And if you have questions about that, you can reach us at 916-613-3553 if you qualify. If you do qualify, then you might be able to apply for a marriage-based green card if you entered as a tourist visa. Now, if you entered on the visa waiver program, the timing is really important as well, because you only have 90 days to stay in the United States. However, the visa waiver program has a lot of restrictions. You can't change status to another visa, like an F1 visa or an H1B visa or another type of visa. The one exception is applying for a marriage-based green card. So there is a lot of different moving parts here. If you are marrying a US citizen, it's important that you do things correctly and that you follow the rules, because we don't want you to be in a situation where you find out after the fact, it's too late, and then you end up being removed. So it really depends, one, on what was your intent upon entering. Again, if you had the intent before entering the United States, to stay in the United States, that filing for a green card is not the correct process. In the US, you would want to apply outside of the United States and apply for an immigrant visa. However, if you're already in the United States and things have changed for you after you've entered, give us a call at 916-613-3553, because you might be eligible to apply for a marriage-based green card. Now, the visa waiver program does have limited options, but it is still possible for you if you're an immediate relative, meaning that you're a child of a US citizen, you're married to a US citizen, or if you're a parent of a US citizen.